In this video, I am going to show you how to install phone applications in your computer. There are several software out there you can use to install phone applications in your system, such as Meme Player, BlueStack, Nos Player, and so many other softwares you can download on the internet. What you need to do is to go to the official website and download the software and begin your operation. For the purpose of this video, I am going to demonstrate how to install phone application in your computer with Meme Player. First, download the application, then go to where the application is, like click and open. Click on quick install to begin installation of the application. Now launch the application. Once you finish loading the Meme Player, this is how the window will look like, just like your normal phone screen. Here you can go to setting, just like in your phone. This is where you set your screen lock, enable and disable Wi-Fi, enable and disable Bluetooth, and so many other things you can set. To go back to the home page, you come to back button. To make other settings, you can also come to this very button and click on it and go to settings. Here you have engine setting, display. If you want the display to be in tablet form, phone form, or if you want to customize the size of your screen, this is where you set it. Here is where you set the storage. Here is where you set the profile, set the network. This is where you set the various drivers, whether you want to make use of the microphone in your system, audio in your system, your PC camera, or if you want to use a virtual camera, and so many other things you can achieve with the settings. In this software also, there are so many shortcuts here you can use to execute your operation. This very button is to install APK file. For if you want to increase the volume, decrease, set your location, open folder. If you want to record screen within this application, record video. So many other things you can do with it. If you want to reboot the application. So now, the aim of this very video is to show you how to install phone application in your computer. If you want to do so, you go to APK button, then you click on it. Then wherever your APK file is in your system, you locate it and install the various programs of your choice. Like in this case, I would like to install English. So you can see your first application is being installed. Installation done. Go to the APK button again and install another application. This time around, First Bank application. Installation okay. Install another one depending on your choice. This one is an NIV Bible. To test the application, just double click on any one. As you can see, the English dictionary is now open. Choose any word of your choice. That's it. Words and meaning. Choose another word. When you are done, then you go to the upper menu and click close when you are done. Thank you for watching.